Describe an indoor or outdoor place where it is easy for you to study. You should say where it is, what it looks like, how often you go there, and explain why it is easy for you to study there.
Well, one of my favorite places to study is the university library in my hometown. It's an indoor space located on the second floor of our campus building. The library is spacious, quiet, and has large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The walls are lined with bookshelves, and there are individual desks for focused study, as well as group study zones. I usually go there 4 to 5 times a week, especially before exams or when I have important assignments. I prefer to sit near the window because it helps me feel more relaxed while I study. What makes this place ideal for studying is the peaceful environment and lack of distractions. Everyone who comes here is focused, so I feel motivated too. The chairs are comfortable, the lighting is perfect, and there's even free Wi-Fi in case I need to research something online. Overall, the university library helps me concentrate better than studying at home, where I often get distracted by noise or my phone.
IELTS Speaking Part 3, Follow-up Questions. What types of places do people usually choose to study in your country?
In my country, people generally prefer quiet environments for studying, such as public libraries, personal study rooms at home, or even cafes with a calm ambiance. Students often choose places where distractions are minimal and where they feel mentally prepared to focus. Some also enjoy studying in parks or gardens for a change of scenery.
Why do some people find it difficult to study at home?
Many people struggle to study at home due to distractions like TV, smartphones, noisy family members, or the comfort of their beds. Home environments can lack the structure and mental separation needed for focused work. That's why they may find public spaces like libraries more effective for concentration.
Do you think the environment affects how well people study?
Absolutely. The study environment plays a critical role in a person's ability to concentrate. A quiet, well-lit, and comfortable environment enhances focus and retention, whereas noisy or cluttered spaces can disrupt the learning process. Even background noise or temperature can affect productivity.
How do modern tools and apps help students focus better while studying?
There are many tools nowadays, like Pomodoro timers, focus playlists, and apps like Forest that encourage distraction-free sessions. These help break study time into manageable chunks and keep students accountable. Technology, when used wisely, can significantly improve study habits and focus levels.
Do older people and younger people prefer different places to study or work?
Yes, I believe they do. Younger people often look for flexible, tech-friendly environments like co-working spaces or cafes, while older individuals might prefer more traditional, quiet places such as libraries or home offices. Preferences are usually influenced by habits and familiarity with digital tools.
Do outdoor places provide better concentration for studying than indoor ones?
It really depends on the individual. Some people find fresh air and natural surroundings very soothing and helpful for concentration. However, outdoor places can also introduce unpredictability, like weather or noise, which might not be ideal for everyone. Indoor places are usually more controlled.
Should schools and universities improve their study environments?
Definitely. Creating more comfortable, quiet, and well-equipped study areas in schools and universities would greatly benefit students. Things like ergonomic furniture, better lighting, soundproof rooms, and access to online resources can make a huge difference in academic performance.
How can someone create an ideal study space at home?
To create an ideal study space at home, one should choose a quiet corner, eliminate distractions like phones or TV, and ensure good lighting. Organizing study materials, using a comfortable chair, and setting clear time schedules also help. Some people also use noise-canceling headphones or study music to stay focused.